What's up, everyone at home? It's Ryan Nelson, and you are watching Kern Living. Taco March Madness is continuing at Fuegos today, and man, they brought out some good stuff. Now, I know you all can't wait to see it, and neither can I. So let's get into it. We're here at Fuegos with Allie. Allie, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm great. So the last time we came, we tried everything else on their menu, but today we're sticking to the tacos and whatever else that you brought out today.
Right.
So what inspired you to open Fuegos?
So about 7 years ago, we've been here, and we're foodies. Me and my husband, our family is foodies. We come from LA, so there's a taco truck on every corner. And we just decided to kind of quit our jobs and do this.
Now, with all the nominations, I know people are flocking here for these certain type of tacos. Would you be able to talk about those?
Yes. So right here, I have the tacos right here, and we feature a bunch of meats. We feature asada, which is steak, pollo, which is chicken. Our al pastor is phenomenal. We do lengua as well. We have the best lengua in the Northwest.
Okay.
And we also have our sopes right here too, which are handmade. Everything here is homemade. Yeah.
Which one is your personal favorite?
I would have to say my personal favorite is our fries.
Oh.
We are famous for our fuego fries.
Okay.
We also have what's called scuba fries, and they're basically carne asada fries or whatever meat you want on them.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get started. Where exactly can everyone find you?
So you can find us at 12641 Rosedale Highway. We're all the way up Rosedale by Allen Road.
Okay. And what about on social media?
On social media, we are on Instagram, Fuegos Taco Shack _Inc. or Ali Zapata, which is under my name, and it's Fuegos Tacos.
Remember, it's Taco March Madness, so make sure you leave a comment underneath the post so that they can go to the next round. There's a lot of tacos on this table, and our whole team is gonna try some. So we're gonna eat, and I'll see you next time.